If your dentist ever recommended to use a water flosser, this would be the most convenient and the cheapest way to do it. And it's actually made here in United States. You can easily install it in your shower and all you need is some plumber's tape, which is very cheap. You can install the shower flosser pretty much on any shower pipe, and it will take you just about a few minutes of your time. First, you need to remove your shower head by unscrewing it counterclockwise, and if you work with plastic parts, it can be done with your bare hands. Get this adapter from your package and a thicker part goes onto your shower pipe. But before you install it, you need to apply some plumber's tape on those threads. About this much should be enough. Typically, it's recommended to apply 3-4 layers of plumber's tape, and make sure you apply it in a clockwise direction, otherwise it will not sit well and cause water to leak. But different pipes may require more or less plumber's tape. And now you can screw on that adapter in a clockwise direction also. Tighten it well by hand only, but don't over tighten. It's made out of plastic and could be damaged. Now use just about the same amount of plumber's tape on the other side of the adapter. Apply it in the clockwise direction again. And finally you can install your shower head right back on. Tighten it by hand, and it's better to under tighten the first time you do it. And if the water leaks out somewhere in the connection you made, you can always go back and tighten it just a little bit more. And we're almost done here. Get one of those plastic tips, any color you like, they're all the same, and insert it into the shower floss handle. Twist it clockwise and it locks in, untwist it and it easily pops out, so other family members can use a different color tip. So how do you actually use it? Turn on the shower first, and with one hand hold this gear looking spiky part, and with the other hand twist the handle counterclockwise until the water comes out from the tip. And the more you twist, the stronger the pressure gets from the tip. And if you've never used any type of water flosser before, I recommend to start with lowest setting for the first few times until your mouth gets used to this tickling sensation. And if you don't know exactly how to use it, I assume this is your gum line and the fingers are your teeth. You just spray along the gum line and stop for a couple of seconds in between teeth to wash off any debris. And how strong does the water jet get? Well, strong enough for me. I've been using this for many years and really enjoy it. Before that, I used to use a Waterpik countertop unit, which was great and powerful, but very inconvenient to use. It took a lot of counter space, was loud and messy, spraying water all over the counter and the mirror, and that's why I prefer to use this one in the shower. Besides, it's only half the price of countertop unit. And if you're looking to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link underneath the video. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and also hit the like button. Thanks!